Trying not to spend too much during this quarantine, but I caved and got some stuff I really wanted to try in case I want to add this to my skincare regime. So let's take a look at my little package I just got. Ooh, so these are some of the products I ordered from a company called Glow Recipe. I've been getting lots of good reviews online about it, so I want to try it for myself. So this is called the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. It's supposed to be really nice on the skin, and I can't wait to try it out. So there's that. Next step. What else? The Pineapple C Bright Serum. That looks really good. I love pineapple, and it's supposed to be really good for the skin, so I can't wait to try this out. And this is what I've been craving the most to try, coveting the most, is this Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It's cute, it's pink, and I can't wait to try it. You're supposed to put it on at night, let it work its wonders overnight, and in the morning you're supposed to have this glowing, amazing skin. So I can't wait to try it. And if I like it, I'll maybe buy a bigger jar. And it comes in a cute little skincare makeup bags. So it's pink, my favorite color, and it's going to fit all lovely, nice and organized. So I'll let you know. Let you know how it is. If you're interested, you can follow them on Instagram, but I'm just going to try it for myself, and it's better to do samples before you buy the bigger jars in case you're sensitive to it or it just doesn't work for you. So I'll let you know how it goes. Can't wait for this, especially this little baby. Yes. Can't wait to try it.